Today I'm going to be walking you through the best and most accurate way to figure out your weight loss and maintenance calories. So if you feel like you're not at the right calorie amount right now, make sure to keep watching. What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here and you're new to my videos, my name's Aaron and I'm an online fat loss coach. I help people lose weight and get strong. And if you want to keep seeing updates for these types of fitness videos or even the odd cooking video, make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. And to help boost this video in the YouTube algorithm, make sure to give this video a thumbs up so more people can learn this simple and easy way to figure out your calories. So when it comes to calculating either your weight loss or maintenance calories, it can be a little confusing at first, especially if you're using a calorie calculator online and you're getting different answers on every single one. So I'm gonna break this down into 3 simple steps that by the end of it, you'll be able to find the perfect calories for your body. So step 1, we're gonna break it down into 2 easy parts. The first part of step 1, you need to do a morning weigh-in. So we're also gonna call this day 1. So do a weigh-in in the morning, first thing when you wake up. So as soon as you get out of bed, right after you go to the washroom, before you drink any food or any water, do a weigh-in and see the weight you are starting at. The next thing we need to do is get a rough goal of how many calories you need to be consuming, whether it's maintaining your weight or losing your weight. It's going to be the same method. So you can use a calorie calculating app online, and I did do a video, I'll link it up here, on how to use a TDEE calculator. And that, as I mentioned in that video, in my other calorie videos, they're not always 100% accurate. So you could easily set your weight loss calories and nothing might happen. So this is going to give us a starting point, and then we're going to be able to modify it throughout the next few steps. So step 1, do a weigh-in first thing in the morning and get a calorie goal to start with. On to step 2. This is the most important and the most crucial part of this process. You need to track your food intake and calorie intake accurately and consistently for the next 5 to 7 days. This way, you know exactly how much you're consuming. You need to actually try and hit that calorie goal. So that way you kind of have a number to shoot for. So that way you're not eating random things every single day. So try to hit that number on a consistent basis, plus or minus 100 calories, over the next 5 to 7 days. And the reason it's 5 to 7 and not anything shorter is because when we get to step 3 here, is on step 3, you're going to do a final weigh-in. And if you have the time frame too short, a lot of fluctuations can happen. I know for myself, I can randomly go up 2 pounds in a day just for not sleeping well or being stressed or having a higher carb meal the night before. So a lot can happen in a short period of time. So the best option would be to take the 7 days and then do the weigh-in. It all depends on your commitment, your schedule, and how accurate you want everything to be. So basically the process is weigh in on day 1, get a calorie goal to shoot for, track your food accurately and consistently over the next 5 to 7 days, and then do a weigh-in at the end of it. So there's a couple different ways this weigh-in can go, and that's going to dictate what we need to do with your calories and if they're actually a good amount of calories for you. So the 3 different things that can happen, the first one is nothing changes. You maintained your weight, and weigh-in 2 is the same as weigh-in 1. The second thing is you went up in weight. So weigh-in 2 is heavier than weigh-in 1. And then the last one is you actually went down in weight. So weigh-in 2 is lighter than weigh-in 1. So depending on your goal, this is going to allow you to adjust your calories. So if your goal is to lose weight, and if you either maintained or gained weight on that weigh-in and it wasn't due to random fluctuations like hormonal fluctuations, or you had a super carb heavy meal the night before, or you only slept for 2 hours, if it wasn't because of any of those external factors, then you're in a spot where you may need to reduce your calories a little bit to ensure you're in a deficit. So the calorie goal you set may have been too high. Whereas let's say on that second weigh-in, you lost weight, the scale went down, maybe 1 pound, pound and a half, maybe even 2 pounds. Then you know you're in a deficit. You know you're eating the right amount of calories to actually lose weight. And let's say if you lost well over a couple of pounds, let's say you lost well over 1% of your body weight, you may want to add on a few calories, or let's start with 100 calories, so that way you're not under eating by an extreme amount. So by using this method, you're going to be able to figure out the exact amount of calories your body needs to do what you want to do. So it's really being strict for basically a whole 1 week period. It's only 1 week that you need to be very, very strict and consistent with everything to accurately see the calories that your body needs. So if you're gaining weight on that weigh-in, that means you're eating a little bit too much. If you're losing weight on that weigh-in, that means you're in a deficit in eating the amount of food you need to lose weight. If you're maintaining weight on that weigh-in, that means you're eating around your maintenance calories. So you're eating the amount of food that you need to maintain your weight. So this process is going to allow you to easily figure out those calories and make those adjustments so you can continue seeing progress. So hopefully you found this process useful, and to kind of give you an overview again, simply step 1 is just to get a calorie goal for yourself and do a weigh-in. Then you're going to track your food accurately for the next 5 to 7 days. And then based off that second weigh-in at the end of it, it'll allow you to dictate if you need to eat more calories or eat less calories, or if you're eating the right amount of calories. So let me know down in the comments if you found this useful. This is the best way to figure out the calories for your body, because you are actually seeing how your calorie goal is affecting your body, and you're making the changes necessary to see the results that you want. So if you want to see more videos like this and more quick tips, let me know down in the comments, and make sure to give this video a like as well. So thanks for watching. Appreciate all you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.